What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. Today's episode is going to be pretty quick because I'm going to cut out most of what we're going to be doing because I'm going to link below the video where I first did this cup holder tray for the front of the car. You guys pointed out some issues, first being that it was in front of the airbag. I made this removable, but I did it in a very quick, non-professional fashion, but it allowed me to use it right away and drive right away. So if you watch the video, you'll see I made it, I basically attached this tray, but had the issue of it being right in front of the airbag and non-removable. I then modified this piece, which you'll see in the video, to basically allow this with these brackets to slide between the sandwich plate. Now the downside to that is it didn't have the look that I was looking for. So today we're going to modify what we came up with to have the look and professional quality of a Mercedes. And what we're going to be doing is basically using a new piece of wood that's thinner, using a new piece of aluminum for basically the sandwich plate, and we're going to create a curve in this so that then we can reattach our wood piece here and have more of a flush, streamlined look in the car. So let's go ahead. I'm going to explain to you guys what I did here. I picked up a thinner, harder piece of wood and cut it to size. So you can see there it lays down a little bit thinner. This is a much thinner piece of aluminum. And what we're going to do is basically drill our holes just like we did for there. I quickly screwed these in just because I needed it right away. These have washers in between, so what we're going to do is, in order to create a curve, we could either sand down this middle piece of wood, which would take some time, or what I came up with is to stick an extra smaller washer on the ends to create a small curve in this metal and only a single washer right in the middle. And that will create two gaps here that we can then sandwich our cup holder in, and I may even add an extra bracket. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start drilling, and then I'm going to fill you guys in how it looks in the car. Alright guys, I've got everything back in place, and I've got the stock wood panel hot glued to the wood piece that we put in there. Looks very, very stock. The only thing that I've got to finish off here is on the ends. I'm going to go ahead and stain those a dark brown so they blend right in. And I went ahead, ground down these L brackets so they don't stick through. So that is the one thing that I did not show. They stick right in, and this is very secure. So you guys can see nice and level, nice and secure. I'm very, very happy with this modification. I think it fits the car very, very well. It looks very professional. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know a lot of you guys have chimed in. And let me know some of the concerns you had, what you felt, what you thought about this type of tray. I think right now with the stock configuration in this car, that steering wheel is going to go, and we're going to be putting a wood steering wheel in. I think it fits very, very good. Keep in mind, that little wood piece end right there will be stained dark brown and should blend right in. Have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick update video. I'm Pete. This is Pete's Carport. Like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.